Alright guys, I'm back with my question set 9. So if you don't watch my question set 8, just go and watch this watch that thing first, because this is the part 2 of question set 8. So we do some search query in our question set 8. Now I will show you that question is also same as this. So our search query task is different. So I will highlight that. And show you. So now you can see our question is all same. So to facilitate the business, Max Mobile, the owner of the mobile phone company, uses the computer software which uses the following table to store the data in the computer software. So you can see all the things are same. So we made our customer table and product table in my previous video. So if you don't watch it, you want to watch it, I will pop that link above the video. Alright guys, now you can see the pop-up card. So we made our database name like mshop, and we made customer table and product table already, and add data graphically. And now we need to find mobile phone whose brand is Huawei, price less than 40,000. And also we need to look for customer whose gender is female, and find details of the product whose brand is in Vivo. So let's go and see what we can do with this select queries. Alright guys, let's do this. So select query. So we need to do some select queries. So let's get the question and get our HeidiSQL in other side. And this is our question. Alright, and this is our question. And now these all are equal to previous video. So I'm gonna maximize my question. Now you can see it. We need to find mobile phone whose brand is Huawei, price less than 40,000. Alright. Now let's go and see. There's 40,000 less than 40,000 Huawei phone. So we are going to product table and go to data. And now you can see there's a Huawei phone here. Price is my product table has got some issues. So alright, price, yeah. I am really mistake about that. I'm so sorry. So now it's okay. Now this is price column. So we have got Huawei phone here. So price is 25,000. So we have another Huawei phone here. There is a 45,000 price. So we need to select that Huawei phone with our query, with our select query. So we need to find a price less than 40,000 Huawei phone. So we need to search that product only. So let's see, we can search that product with that query. So I want to give select from. Now I want to select product table, product, and I want to get my selected product using brand name. My brand name is, let's go to get brand name column name and put it on inside the abbreviations, and brand name equals to Huawei. And now I need to find price. So we have another condition. So if we have another condition, we want to give this and keyword. And now our another condition is price. So we need to give the price table, and we want to find less than 40,000 products. So we use this less than mark, and now let's get 40,000 like that. And I want to put that inside the single quotes. And now my query is okay. I want to give the semicolon. Now let's run the query and see what's happened. So when we run the query, we can select that product only. So I want to select that product. Yes, we can get it. So now we successfully done the fourth question. Now let's go to fifth one. Look for customers whose gender is female. Alright, let's go to our customer table and see there are two female persons here, Kalani and Kalpana. Now we need to select that Kalani and Kalpana, those two persons, using this query. So we need to like that. So I will show you that. Now I need to change my product table like customer and I need to get customer's gender using gender table. So now I have no two conditions, I have one condition only. So I need to get gender column, and I need to select female persons. Now it's all okay. Our query is done. So let's see what we got. We run the query, and now we have this Kalani Samasinghe and Kalpana Dharmasiri. Those two persons we can get from this query. So others are male. We can also search male persons using this. When we now if we run query, we can get male persons on there. So we already done the fifth question also. Let's find the details of the product whose brand is in Vivo. So now I need to go to product table. I need to search that from product table, and now I need to find them using brand name. So brand name, I type brand name, and brand is Vivo, so I want to type Vivo. Make sure my column name and no, nothing is wrong. Okay, now it's all okay. Brand name okay. Now we can run the query using F9. Now we can have these Vivo products. So Vivo Y20s, Vivo Y50, Vivo Y11 Pro. Alright, now our sixth question is also done. So we can find Vivo products using this. Alright guys, this video is the part 2 of 8 video. So if you don't watch 8 video, you can watch it in my pop-up link. So I will show you that video in my end screen also. And alright guys, I will see you in my next video. It's a question set 10. So we have now 41 video to do, 41 questions to discuss. So alright guys, I hope you to see you soon. Peace.